Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This video shows the only way to split screen on a Redmi device today. The method uses the Recent Apps screen to start split screen mode. You access recent apps by swiping up and holding, or by tapping the Recent button if you use buttons. Long press an app icon in Recent Apps to reveal the split screen option. Then choose the second app to place beside it. I explain developer options and exiting steps next, so you can complete the setup confidently. Begin with the first app open, and then open Recent Apps using your gesture or Recent button. In Recent Apps, long press the app icon until the menu appears and tap Split Screen. The chosen app pins to the top or left pane depending on orientation. Next, pick the second app from Recent, Home, or the app drawer to fill the other pane. Adjust the divider by dragging to resize, and interact with both apps as usual while split screen remains active. If an app blocks split screen, enable developer options and force resizability to help. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap MIUI version 7 times to enable developer options. Then open Additional Settings, Developer Options, and enable Force Activities to be resizable. Remember, some apps still may not behave perfectly even when forced. To exit split screen, drag the center divider fully to the top or bottom, or press Home to return to single app mode quickly and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.